Stay here with me, baby, you know this straight up. Violator get a head bust like cake cut. Love you, baby. What do them? You think I chattings?
Yeah, guys, so the fire time now, so them I broke up the wood. Not the wood they will not talk about, you know.
No wood around here.
Oh,
Ah, thank. Yeah. See, me get pinched. They say, you see that king crab? Turn condom now, pinch, leave an inch and roll.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Oh, you get pinched. You say you get pinched, brother?
No, sir.
You say you get pinched at the drama, man. Crab pinch. Come in.
Yeah, guys, see, we look at table set up over this, sir.
Yes, man, when the crab them pretty.
Crab them wash
Fresh
up and
and
clean
beard.
up over here, so. Beard up.
And that boy they down there so pinch me. That one there. I not put me hand down there because I get pinch again.
See, pot the guys. Yeah. Seasoning and something more can and beer things.
I'm going to drop a song for you, crab.
Your crab song, though.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, so we are going to light up the fire now. Light up the fire now, you know what the thing go?
Light up the place.
Plastic catch it faster, you know, cause the chemical, you know the thing go?
Talk to me.
And the plastic will stick to the wood.
Country chippy now, you know. Look like country chippy now.
You see?
All our country we live.
Yeah. You know what, like a dry leaf.
Fire up your lighter. Fancy, you know?
I'm saying my road. You're so nice. Nowhere else. Remember, you know, like, share, and subscribe.
Yeah, guys, after that bad crab action there, if you're not subscribed now, be a part of the fam.
AK, yeah.
Bang, bang, boom. Epic something them. Sure you don't want to let it go?
No? When it near bun me.
You can't want start fire and can't take it easy.
Hot water, I see a man get ready.
Trouble. People are new bleaching cream. If you want bleach fast,
Monkey lotion, hot water, straight peel.
skin peel like a bird and like a banana, just strip off.
Trouble. Better go and come together like cooking.
Fire blaze up there.
You know, start blazing.
Tell if you want to see some more of them outdoor something.
Comment it down below if you want more outdoor cooking. Can start up an outdoor series for our cooking channel. Remember, go over to Cooking with Chef Reed, Chef Alexander.
Yeah, Nathan.
Subscribe. Drop the banger comments down below.
And if you want to see some dancing, you know where to find the eye.
Alright.
David_crazy_kid.
Yeah,
I'll
that?
pin it in the description, guys.
Yeah.
I need to mud the pot now.
King not really want me in the fireside, you know, guys. But
Get the scotch right now.
A piece of brr.
No.
the king there.
Bang, bang, boom.
Yeah, guys. Put it down. No? That's something that we just take up. We just move out of your face. Action.
She need more food for the fire. Yeah,
Guys, you see when you mud up the pot and you put it on wood?
it prevents it from burning
Yeah.
and black up. You understand?
Easy
So less
removal.
Less work when I time for wash up. You understand? Because I know say somehow no.
No know
cook
them
pan-
style,
when
yeah.
you cook pan cold stove. When you see pot black, you say Jesus Christ, I forgot that show this now. No, brother. Simple mud up. Easy to wash off when you done. You understand? A piece of brew.
See fire they come together nicely. We try to get more wood, but them say a fire stick.
Fire stick.
Ash for your wood, man.
You know the female them kind of love that at the end. Yeah, man. You know the ships. If you don't know the ships,
Put it on. I want it more up, look more.
One more.
Put it on. Put it. Put it on. Huh?
Catch?
Mm-hmm.
You sure that catch?
That catch.
See a fire blaze that not catch it.
That catch, brother.
A piece of brr.
See? We just need more. So it not black up.
You too? Fan base.
See that? Get the water you know and all them good something, yeah?
Use a blow and make the fire blaze. Big crab goes up there. Wing.
Bite up your hand. Catch your wing.
Pinch out your skin.
Catch your wing. No, sir.
When it do after in a wall that a fling was up.
Yeah. See you know, man? When him pinch you and you throw him away, where you say, peshe wing. And then you ball and say, wing. No, sir.
Crab that she was splash out like a ball. Me say peshe.
Come on, man. When crab walk,
Lick the wall and splash out like a mud ball.
we say, peshe wing. Come on, man. When crab walk,
Lick the wall and splash out like a mud ball.
we say, peshe wing. If fire still there, man.
Use a blow and make it kick. That me like it.
Yeah, guys, get some water in the pot. I want to fill it up about halfway.
Outside settings down. You don't see the hose around. Talk to me.
Don't know.
Boom.
You love it?
Yeah. And we have the AK them around here. The fake one.
The water kind of around low, but
Talk one.
it's a go on, guys. It's a go on. See, match I cut up the board. Tough though. That day's work that. Come on. Yeah, guys, the seasoning for the crab. Forget everything. Wash up and nice up though. With garlic. Scallion with time with garlic and with pepper. I will soup it up over this, sir. Tell Maggie say, give me a sponsor, guys. Yeah, me say. See what fire there. Well, I bubble up and ready. Yeah, guys. So I catch you back when I drop them in the pot. Bad chef, what you have to say?
Bang, boom.
See King in a chef mode, guys. Maggie, see it here, Maggie. Maggie soup mix. Maggie season up. What are you with Maggie? You want call sponsorship. You want call, no Maggie? Yeah. Sort out the can them, you know. Bad chef again. Though. Don't know the thing go though. Finally, I see King in a chef mode, you know.
And the roll gone. I don't know where.
Them know we. Them don't know we. Cut the can them in a two, guys.
Yeah, and count the tree.
Three? Three, cut them in a three. That's it. Drop them in our fire, you know.
Add them there.
To a pot.
Seasoning, guys. You don't know can. The can kind of tough.
A tough can and a corn and the cobs.
I know say as the water boil over the crab. Right?
Him cook. Add them in, you know. Add them in. You ready for add them in, love?
Now we wait on the tablecloth.
Okay, we are wait for the dish towel for lift up the pot cover because you don't know the pot hot, you know, bubble in my bubble. Don't know? Yeah, Maggie. So we set, you know. So we set. Can them right there, so. Nice up. Maggie season up.
Ready.
All works. Ready, we're ready, you know. Drop them in the pot. One go. Bubble up.
Everything goes.
Everything. Cover him back. Crab them there same way, man. Nice and goatee. Yeah, guys, I see the time, you know. Season up the pot proper way. Cock soup and the salt or Maggie though. You know the thing go. Chef Reed at work, you know. Soup him up.
Some people like season the pot after them add the crab. But the wrong way that, guys. And the real way this.
Before absorb all of that flavor there.
Salt. Salt enhance the flavor of the Maggie.
Yes, guys.
Now we're going to add little of the Maggie. You know the shrimps? If you don't know the shrimps,
You know the thing go.
well, a Pepsi.
Alright.
Alright. Cover and make him come back to a rapid boil, guys.
Then after that, time for the crab. Yeah, guys, you see that? Pot a bubble. Rapid bubbling.
Thick one go. Give it. Give me something, man. Give me.
Give me the rate.
Give me this more. Let it go. Let it go.
You think you want him?
No, this more.
Backside, man.
Sure.
Sink him there. No, Sam, alright, man. You can't get to again.
Hey.
Funeral.
Funeral keeping people of himself and the people.
Oh, you.
See my come. Yes, people. You good, brother. Dip him. Yeah, man. Let him go make him pee-pee.
Man. That look nice. Yes, it's pretty. I like how the crab they watch me can't drink the water. No, they must.
No, that's
Aye.
dangerous. That would be dangerous.
Yeah.
That would be dangerous. Put him down there and
Watch out.
oh, you.
I know it. No, I know it.
Let him go now.
Let go.
Him can't jump out again.
And his flash. Bang up.
Me want to I want to pinch me I go for. Come here.
In the take out the crab in the Maria Mar.
Go over there.
No, you take him up with the hand now.
Alright, you know come on.
Hey! Yeah, David, do that and he pinch him this morning. Pinch him and bite him.
Whoa.
Yeah, guys, you see that? Funeral, him a get, you know.
Not a little bit of water.
With the professional baller there. Come baller that funeral.
King
yeah.
crab.
Yo, hold your fold. Him in a kind back big and you drop out of your hand.
King crab.
Hey, David.
This big like a house, you know, brother.
On the king.
You see it in my fight to come out.
Watch out when you tear down the place.
Burn the water.
Yeah, guys.
People there. Hey. So,
Know what time it is.
you want to come out see machine?
Yeah.
Run that one, run out there. I want to, I want to pinch me, I want to see me.
I know him that.
Yeah.
Isn't that money?
Now the days is over,
My
night
friend?
is drawing
You.
night.
Hmm.
You.
Hmm.
Are you pinch me? Take time going and wash water. Yeah man, feel it. I'm going and wash water. Yeah man, feel it.
Oh,
Yeah man, you
yes.
wash the man.
Yes.
Touch water, man. Touch
Hallelujah.
water. Yeah man,
Watch
you see
him.
that yourself?
Hey.
Sorry for go.
And I'm
Hey.
pissing piss myself.
Yeah, guys.
Dip him.
Watch the rest of them. Like them know see them next, you know.
Dead business, man. A dead business.
Watch him if still there, watch your foot.
Why drop him gun? A big fool that.
Don't like afraid of crab in the mother. Them start eating.
Put it on them read. Put it on them read. Put it on them read.
I'm nervous. I'm nervous.
Them read. Guys.
Come on, run away, nigga, you're fat. You, yeah, we
The baby a come. No. Yeah, guys. In a pot. Yes, boy. No, sir.
Put them in the water.
Remember when I was
Simple dog.
running on that bed? You remember? That was everybody else on the
Crawl him out,
bed.
crawl out.
No, want the temperature drop.
Yeah, guys.
Go and build up back.
Build up back the temperature, they were adding the rest of them. So we are catching up back when a cooking time and the cooking done and all is good done. So forward. Yeah, guys, so we are dropping the last two.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
Them are what's in a baby one, them love fight.
Bad one, them here, you know.
Over there.
Yeah, right there, so. You can't just drop them so you know, because them will jump out.
When you touch them, man, them fly up. See? After that.
That one that look like you still want to come out.
You still want to come out of the pot. You see, watch it. You know, same the day.
That one slow down, you know, people. And he was fighting, you see? But I just did that. Like a man. You understand?
Mm-hmm. Right there, so. The foot them that.
Make it little nice.
Don't know. 5 to 8 minutes pan the cook and already I'm ready. Though.
You know, piece of brr.
So forward. Yeah, guys, so we have our French time and a little more scallion. Drop them in the pot. See that? So your pot are looking on. Yeah. Press them down. Give it a taste and, you know, want a little more spicing up. Don't know the thing go to spice up your pot. So we all give it around 3 to 5 more minutes and then can finish off with the cooking though. Yeah, guys, see it there? Ready crab ready, you know. Notice it have that pretty color. No black, I wash the crab them good. I wanna say pepper pot. Yeah, guys, look out for the mukbang. You know, the mukbang is gonna be in part 3, so this is a to be continued. You see me? If you don't know the shrimps, you nah know the thing go. So we'll have Pepsi.
Alright, guys.
Bang, bang. Give them it now, man.
Bang, bang, boom.
We're out.